Greetings, I'm Ryan from iThemeland, specializing in WordPress and WooCommerce. In this tutorial, we want to talk about how to change the multi-WooCommerce order payment method. Changing the multi-order payment method in WooCommerce bulk orders editing plugin could be easily done by using the filter form and also by using the bulk edit form. If you've just started to use our plugin to bulk edit some fields related to your orders, you might be interested to know that we have provided a filter form to help you find and filter those orders first and then be able to bulk edit them. So before starting to change the multi-order payment method, you need to filter those orders by using the filter form. In this tutorial, we're just going to show you an example of how you can use the filter form, and if you need to know more, you can check out our video on how to filter orders on WooCommerce bulk orders editing plugin. For example, here we want to change multi-order payments of orders from Australia. So to filter those orders, first you should open filter form from the main page. Then go to the billing tab and open the combo box in front of billing country. Now go ahead and choose Australia from the default list and now click on get orders. So now we have filtered our orders, and now let's go to the next step, which is changing the multi-order payment method. To change the multi-order payments after filtering the custom orders, you just need to click on bulk edit on the main page of our plugin and then go to the other fields tab. Then open the combo box in front of payment method and go ahead and choose one of the options you prefer, either cash on delivery or other. And then click do bulk edit at the bottom of the bulk edit form and then click on yes, I'm sure to confirm. Now the changes you have made are applied to your filtered orders, but to make sure that the plugin has done it perfectly, just go ahead and add the order payment method column to your order table by using column profile form. And to do that, we just have to click on the column profile button on the main page and then mark payment method under other fields tab. And then you have to click on apply to table, and now you can see the options you have chosen in the bulk edit form are next to the selected orders as we expected. Alright, so now let's change the multi-order payments method at the same time by bind edit. A bind edit is another way for changing the multi-order payments method in our plugin. This method is only available after adding the columns that you want to bulk edit their values. Now, since we have added the payment method column in the previous tab, it's possible to use the bind edit now. So let's mark the checkbox next to orders that must be bulk edited. Then click on bind edit designed at the top of the order table and then open payment method drop down list of one of the selected orders. Now choose your option, for example other, and then just wait for the plugin to do its thing. And as you can see, the payment method of our orders changed to other.